Dr. Kipto, because if it was a courtroom, it could have been a pre-bargain or mitigation. But I think some real issues have come out that we as government need to sort out in terms of the process. There is a lot of cleaning up required. But on the good side, I want to report that going forward, the issue of absorption of development partner financing is now going, beginning from 1st of July, is going to be part of the performance contracting. So that as we measure the people, we'll also be measuring them in terms of how they are absorbing development partner program. Secondly, I think from the co-chair, the issue of counterpart funding, I think has been very clear that not all the time is it a requirement for program to proceed with counterpart funding. So again, there is need for the two sides to sit together and say, is the issue of counterpart funding becoming a bogeyman? Is it being blamed for everything? You know, so that even where it is other things that should be done, we are quick to say it is counterpart funding. So I think we need to be microscopic on this particular issue, so that now we are able to say what is the real reason for this program not to proceed. Let me also say that under the my delivery docket, beginning from next week, I have a monthly reporting obligation to Cabinet, and among the things I'll be reporting on to Cabinet is this issue of absorption and performance generally of this development partner platform, because we realize the need for us to escalate and report them on a very high level. May I finish by saying that the issue of mapping of the government side and the development partner part needs to be sharpened. We need to really ask ourselves which government ministry or department has got which program and who are the partner interested in that particular program. I think there's still some loose ends which I think the unit in the office of the Deputy President will work with the ministry to ensure that we become more sharper in the clustering and especially in the pairing and mapping of partners to departments. Thank you.
Thank you, CS, for that. We have time for one more intervention from the floor.